In this video, I'm going to show you how to create employees in BambooHR. Now to do this, first you want to go to your dashboard and then click on People over here on the left. Now I'm using some sample demo data over here. That's why there's going to be a bunch of different things and information in here already, okay? So to actually create an employee, you want to click on the New Employee up top. And then from here, all you have to do really is just type in all the info which is required. So if you go down here, as you can see, the first thing is personal. You have to type in the employee number, their first name, last name, and all the other things. So it's completely up to you if you want to put all of this in here. The only two things necessary are going to be their first name and their last name. Everything else is a bonus you can add in if you want to or not, if you don't want to, depending on your situation. Now here again, you have these things, then you have the address, so the street, city, postcode, and then the country. You have compensation where you set the pay schedule and the pay type as well as the rate over here. So if I do every other week, for example, and then do salary, I can go and select per what I want to do over here and how much it's going to be and in which currency. Then here you have contact, so we can basically put in all their contacts. You have work phone, mobile phone, home phone, etc., as well as the emails. You have the job hire date, then you have the employment status and the job information, and then last but not least, you have self-service access. You can either allow it or not. Now when you've done that, click on the save button, and that's really all you have to do. It's going to open the profile of your employee, and the employee is going to appear on the people list. If you want to add a new one, and if you want to create multiple, you simply have to repeat this process. Go back to people, add new employee, type in their info, and save it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.